Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azkia Mutmainah from Biology A, and I will do presentation test about the histories. I will presentation material of hijrah of Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to Madinah and the meaning behind the hijrah. The basic of politics in Madinah and the character of Madinah, Darussalam, and Darul Islam. First, the hijrah of Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to Madinah and the meaning behind the hijrah. In the history of the development of Muslims, hijrah has the meaning of movement. The apostle and his companions left for Medina, which happened on Monday in the month of Rabiul Awal in the 13th year of the prophethood. After the second Bay'at Aqabah incident occurred, and Islam established a national pillar in the middle of the undulating desert disbelief and ignorance. And this is the greatest result obtained by Islam since the Da'wah began. The Prophet Muhammad SAW and the Muslims in allows you to immigrate to that country. Three factors were behind the hijrah. First, the offer and invitation to the Prophet to migrate to Medina, which can be henceforth be considered the center of Islamic broadcasting in Arabia. This factor can be analogized as a pull factor. Second, the security situation of Mecca was not favorable for the Muslims due to the growing pressure of the Quraysh and their efficient boycott of the Muslims. Third, the revelation to hijrah, and this is the most determinant factor. Meaning behind hijrah after the revelation of verse 94 Surah Al-Hijr, Prophet Muhammad SAW began the preach openly, but his preaching was not easy because he was challenged by the disbelievers of Quraysh. The Aqabah Agreement became the basis of the hijrah carried out by the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Second, basic of politics in Madinah. The basic of politics in Madinah, Prophet Muhammad SAW, apart from being the messengers of Allah, was also the head of state. His apostolate began in the city of Makkah, inviting people to believe in Allah, worship, and have noble character. Noble, while his role as head of state was carried out in Medina from 622 to 632 yet. As the foundation of the state, he first formulated the Dustur Madinah, which served as the constitutions of the state of Madinah. Then he established the basics of the state economy, especially zakat and jizya. Furthermore, he built armed forces to protect the da'wah and the interests of the citizens of Madinah. The basic principles of government applied by him were deliberation or consultations with the citizens of Medina. Thought he was an apostle, but in determining a decisions before being confronted with them. In fact, he was very open to the suggestions and opinions of his companions. Even in some cases he was sometimes willing to revoke his own opinions. He also showed an attitude of equality, respecting everyone. Studies is a top priority in order to realize balance between rights and obligations. Freedom or human rights also get considerable attention, so as to create freedom of religion, freedom and guarantee of life, freedom of speech and associations, freedom to earn and living, and protection of property rights. Protection of property rights, furthermore, instilling awareness the leadership is a mandate the most of accounted for. Third, the character of Medina, Darussalam, and Darul Islam. The character of Medina, also known as the Constitution of Medina, is an important document in Islamic history, written by the Prophet Muhammad. It was drafted in 628 after the migration of Prophet Muhammad and his followers from Mecca to Medina. The Medina character served as an agreement between the Muslim, the Muhajirin and Ansar, and the Jewish communication Medina to create a just and peaceful society. Darussalam. Darussalam in Arabic means "house of peace" or "place of peace". It refers to a society or country that lives in peace and justice, where Islamic law is applied and the rights of all citizens are respected. The concept of Darussalam is often associated with the vision of an ideal society in Islam that reflects moral values, justice, and prosperity. Darul Islam means "house of Islam" or "land of Islam". The term is used to refer to a region or country where Islamic law Sharia is the implemented and Muslims can practice the religion freely. Darul Islam is different from Darul Harb, land of war, which refers to a region where Islamic law is not applied and there may be hostility towards Muslims. Conclusions. Conclusion of Islamic civilizations during the time of the Prophet Muhammad (SAW) in Medina 6:2 and 2 until 6:3 and 2 yet is that it was a very unique and interesting civilization which established structured government system, introduced the concept of an ideal state, and had strong relevance to the developments and desires of world society today. Islamic civilization during the time of the Prophet Muhammad (SAW) was a reconstruction of the Prophet's miracles, namely the Al-Quran as a basic guide and in the form of the Prophet's behavior. The Prophet's sayings accumulated in hadith were able to shift backward civilizations into very advanced civilizations in various worlds. Okay, that's the last. Thank you very much from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.